Question 5, solve the exponential equation. The equation is 4 raised to the 1 plus 2x is equal 1024. Okay, solution for the equation number 5. Let me copy the equation. The equation is 4 raised to the 1 plus 2x is equal 1024. Okay, so the most important thing is, for solving this equation, you must work in both sides of the equation in order to express it both using the common base when it's possible. When it's impossible, no, but in this case, yes, because I know 1024 is equal 4 to the 5th power. I can verify using the calculator. You multiply 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and the answer is 1024. Ready. So now you replace 4 raised to the 1 plus 2x is equal 4 to the 5th power. Okay, and when the base is the same, so if this exponential is equal to this exponential, the conclusion is the exponents are the same, because the exponential function is one-to-one function. And you solve this elementary equation. Is 2x is equal 5 minus 1. 2x is equal 4 divided by 2, both sides, x equal to. This is the answer que corresponde en the handout, the option A. Question 6 is another exponential equation. Solve the equation, and the equation is 4 raised to the negative x is equal 1 over 265. Question 6 is again exponential equation. Is 4 raised to the negative x is equal 1 over 256. Okay, exactly the same strategy. You must manipulate both sides in order to express it using the common base. I know the fact that 256 is equal 4 to the 4th power. When you multiply 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is 256. You can verify that in the calculator. Okay, so now you write 4 negative x raised to the negative x is equal 1 over 4 to the 4th power. Okay, there are many ways to solve that. I propose one way. Suppose in this case I solve reciprocal. Reciprocal is negative exponent, so you write 4 like a minus 4. Okay, now we have the same base. So if 4 raised to the negative x is equal 4 to the negative 4, the conclusion is then minus x is equal to negative 4 because the exponential function is one-to-one function. Then the final answer will be then x is equal positive 4. Que corresponde with the option A again. in our handout. Question 7, again it's another exponential equation. In this case 125 raised to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 625 raised to the 2x. Okay, solution for the equation 7. Let me copy the equation. Is 125 raised to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 625 raised to the 2x. Okay, so you have to manipulate both sides in order to express using the common base. I know that 125 is equal to 5 to the cubic power. Like you multiply 5 times 5 times 5 3 times is 125. Likewise 625 is 4 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 4 times. Okay, now just replace this idea. So it's instead of 125 is 5 to the cubic power raised to 2x minus 1. Is equal, instead of 625 is 5 to the 4th power raised to the 2x. Okay, and you apply the rule of the exponent. When you have different level of the exponent, you multiply. Is 5 3 times 2x minus 1 is equal 5 multiplication is 8x. Okay, again the same situation. If this exponential is equal to this exponential, the conclusion is the exponent are the same when the base is the same. So 3 parenthesis 2x minus 1 is equal 8x. Okay, now the rest is baby algebra. You apply distributive property, 6x minus 3 is equal 8x. Okay, I propose you, for example, minus 3 stay here, and moving ax minus 6x minus 3, we combine, a minus 6 is 2x, finally divided by 2, by 2 and by 2, also negative 3 half is equal x. This is the answer. We correspond with the option B in our handout. Okay, question A, again is the solver of the exponential equation, and this last equation is 8 raised to the x minus 1 is equal to 32 raised to the 2x. Okay, solution for the equation number 8 is 8 raised to the x minus 1 is equal to 32 raised to the 2x. Okay. Okay, as always, I have to manipulate both sides in order to express it using a common base. In this case, the common base is 2, because I know the fact that A is equal 2 to the cubic power, and 32 is equal to 2 to the 5th power. Okay, replace this idea here. 2 to the cubic power raised to the x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 5th power raised to the 2x. Okay, now multiplication of the exponents. 2 raised to the 3 times x minus 1 expression, entire expression. That is the reason I put the parentheses. And this is 5 and 2 is 10. This is 2 raised to the 10x. Okay, one more time. If two exponentials are the same and the base is the same, the conclusion is 3 parentheses x minus 1 is equal to 10x. Okay, as always, elementary equation. Apply distributive to clear the parentheses. 3x minus 3 is equal to 10x. Minus 3 is equal to 10x minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 7x divided by 7, both sides. Then x is equal minus 3 over 7. Okay, the answer of this exponential equation que corresponde with the option. Let me see what option is in the handout. Negative 3 over 7, B. Okay, very well.